In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ignition coil boot kit on your Honda Accord. Let's get started. We're going to remove the battery negative cable from the battery. To do this, you'll usually use a 10mm socket to remove the terminal. We have updated terminals, so I'm going to be using a 13mm socket. Loosen up the terminal, pull it off the battery, and put it where it won't make contact with the terminal. We're going to be removing one coil on the back of the motor. This should be the hardest. All of them are the same process. This is just the hardest location. We're going to remove the connector. To do this, we're going to push on the tab on the side and pull straight up and remove the connector. There's that tab on the side. Using a 6mm hex head, we're going to remove the bolt for the ignition coil. Remove the bolt, pull straight out and remove the ignition coil. Remove the boot. We're going to pull it off this top lip, pull straight down and remove the boot. Inside there's going to be a spring. Sometimes they fall out, sometimes you need to use a screwdriver. Put it in the middle of the spring, slightly pull up to the side and it'll come right out. Install the spring into the coil. You want the large flared side down. And install the boot. Be sure it pops over that lip. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and it's good to go back into the car. Install the ignition coil. Push it all the way down. Get the bolt started. Snug it down. Torque the ignition coil bolt to 8.7 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the negative battery cable. Snug down the terminal. Give it a wiggle, make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.